Muhammad from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I don't study co-education, but our teachers are females. So, for example, a teacher came to me and asked that, did you understand the topic? I said yes. So she don't be frank with me and make me understand the topic.
She what?
She said that, did you understand the topic? I said yes. I didn't, but I said yes. So she doesn't talk to me frankly and like that.
She did what? I did not understand. When you said yes, what did she do?
She said, did you understand the topic?
Ya akhi, I understood this. I understood that she asked you, did you understand the topic? You said yes. What did she do afterwards?
She said, solve this equation.
Solve this equation. Okay.
Yeah, I failed to solve that. I failed to solve that. Then she started make me understand the topic, and that's how to do that. And they become frank with me, and they come very close. And sometimes when we stand in lines, they situation us in lines. They hold our shoulders. Am I sinful for that?
Yes, you are sinful for that. You should draw the line. You are not allowed to allow people to touch you or to get close to you. And look at what you're saying. You're allowing shaitan to step by step draw closer to you without having any boundaries. No, be a man and politely and diplomatically put some boundaries and say that this is not permissible, please don't touch me, with all due respect, and the likes. Because if the teacher was a man and you were a girl, he would not do such a thing.